हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम है आदित्य कुमार फ्रॉम पीएमसीएच पटना। और इसके पहले के वीडियोस में मैंने ह्यूमन एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम स्टार्ट कर दिया था। उस वीडियो में मैंने इंट्रोडक्शन, हार्मोन्स, उनका डिफिनेशन, क्लासिफिकेशन और खासकर वर्किंग मैकेनिज्म पे काफी वर्क किया था। आप आदित्य नीट वाइब को सब्सक्राइब करें और प्रीवियस वीडियो को जरूर देखें ताकि इस वीडियो का भी समझ में आए। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट। वी शुड डिस्कस टुडे नाउ हाइपोथैलेमस। मैंने प्रीवियस लेक्चर में हार्मोन्स, ह्यूमन एंडोक्राइन के मेजर कांसेप्ट्स, टाइप्स और क्लासिफिकेशन मैंने डिस्कस कर चुका था। नाउ टुडे वी विल डिस्कस हाइपोथैलेमस एंड द पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड। मैं एक अच्छे से डायग्राम में आपके सामने बना दिया हूँ और आई थिंक आप इसे एक बार ड्रॉ कर ले बिकॉज इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, समझने में काफी हेल्प करेगा। एंड पहले तो मैं इस डायग्राम को समझा देता हूँ एंड देन वी विल डिस्कस वन बाय वन द मास्टर ऑफ द मास्टर ग्लैंड, दैट इज कॉल्ड hypothalamus, and the one is called the master gland, it is called pituitary gland. We will discuss its basic function and what are the hormones produced by them. So first we will discuss this diagram. What you're seeing above, this is the hypothalamus, which lies below thalamus, and this structure, the lobed structure you're seeing, this is the pituitary gland. So basically मैं externally मैं just जो diagram है उसको मैं describe कर रहा हूँ, then we will move to our next topic. Okay, so we can see in the hypothalamus region and the pituitary gland, we can see the hypothalamus is connected to pituitary gland. The hypothalamus is connected to pituitary gland by the hypothalamic neurons, and you can see these two neurons. It is called supraoptic nuclei, paraventriculus. मैं डिस्कस करूंगा कि इसका क्या रोल होता है ना hypothalamus में. This is the supraoptic nuclei, this is the paraventriculus, and these are the neurons. and ये कहाँ पे terminate कर रहे हैं? The supraoptic nuclei and the paraventriculus terminate at the Herring's body. This is very important. Herring's body is located in the posterior pituitary, that is called neurohypophysis. Posterior pituitary, it's called neurohypophysis. Herring's body, named after the scientist Herring. So Herring's body, and these are supported, these structures are supported by the means of pituocytes. By the means, like we have heard the name of gliocytes, which are the supporting cells. Here we have the pituocytes. Actually, these are the helper cells. They are the supporting cells in between. This is the two neurons. So we have the pituocytes. Now we can see a blood vessel here. You can see a blood vessel here. Now we have the portal system in our body. This is the hormone portal system. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? This is a kind of diffusion, and यहाँ पे there is a uptake and there is a process of uptake and input and output of the hormones. यहाँ से hormones diffuse कर रहे हैं और जाकर blood में जाकर के distribute हो जा रहे हैं at their respective hormones. So we have discussed this part. Now supraoptic and the paraventriculus terminate at the neurohypophysis at the Herring's body, supported by pituitary sites where the hormone exchange takes place. Now this lobed structure is known as neurohypophysis, or you may better call it as a posterior pituitary, that comprises of 25% of pituitary gland. Okay, then I am coming to this structure. Now the red structure you are seeing, it is not an artery, remember, it is a vein, and this is hypophyseal portal vein. Yes, hypophyseal portal vein. Now you can see the cells here. You can see the neurosecretory cells here. You have the neurosecretory cells, NS cells there, and which terminates in the adenohypophysis. Adenohypophysis, you may better call it as a anterior pituitary gland, that comprises 75%, adenohypophysis. And you may see the adenohypophysis, the structure of adenohypophysis has been divided into three parts: the parts tubularis, the parts intermedia, and the parts distalis. Again, एंटीरियर पेडिट्री को कितने भाग में डिवाइड किया गया है? पार्स ट्यूबुलारिस, पार्स डिस्टालिस एंड द पार्स इंटरमीडिया. In case of human, the pars intermedia is present in the form of reminiscence. So pars intermedia काफी human में reduced form में रहता है. And you can see the hypophyseal portal vein descending here. And now this is a circle forming the blood vessels along with the neurosecretory cells. The blood vessels along with the neurosecretory cells forms a circle-like structure here, and this structure is known as ring of Willis. Important. Ring of Willis is present in the anterior pituitary, and Herring's body is present in the posterior pituitary, as for we as medical students. So ring of Willis. Now we have seen the pars tubularis, pars distalis, and the pars ingidia. The adenohypophysis comprises of the 75% of the pituitary gland, also known as the master gland. So I think internally we have discussed many things on this structure. Now we should move to the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus. I think you may have drawn the diagram, or if you have any confusion in the diagram, you may write in the comment box. I will reply for the same. So let us discuss hypothalamus as the master of the master gland. Hypothalamus, master of the master gland. Okay. Hypothalamus, that is master of the master gland. So the hypothalamus secretes two types of hormones. The hypothalamus secretes two types of hormones. One is called releasing hormones, one is called inhibiting hormones. Releasing hormones and inhibiting hormones. Let us see what are those releasing hormones and what are those inhibiting hormones. Now releasing hormone को मैं RE से लिखता हूँ और inhibiting hormones को मैं RH से. Okay. So what I want to discuss? What are these releasing hormones? So first, गोनाडोट्रोफिन रिलीजिंग हार्मोन, जो कि पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड पे एक्ट करता है, एंटीरियर पिट्यूटरी में एक्ट करता है and lead to the secretion of LH and FSH. Gonadotrophin releasing hormone. The second is thyrotrophin releasing hormone, which act on adrenal gland and stimulate the formation of or the release of thyroxine, T4 or T3. Now the third is corticotrophic releasing hormone, which act on pituitary gland and anterior pituitary gland to act on adrenal cortex and release the adrenocorticotrophic releasing hormone, that is called ECTH. And the fourth is growth hormone releasing hormone. Important, इसका other name याद रखना है, somatotrophin या FIC. Somatotrophin या soma means होता है body. Soma means body and trophic means nutrition. वो हार्मोन जो हमारे बॉडी को न्यूट्रिशन दे, and is called growth hormone releasing hormone. The fifth is melanocyte stimulating releasing hormone, and the sixth is prolactin releasing hormones. Okay, so these 6 hormones are the releasing hormones produced by hypothalamus. We'll see how these hormones act on the pituitary gland and lead to the formation of the secretion of various hormones. So what are those inhibiting hormones we have? Inhibiting hormones. Inhibiting hormone में सबसे पहले याद रखना है ग्रोथ हार्मोन, इनहिबिटिंग हार्मोन. इसका अदर नेम क्या होगा? सोमैटोक्राइनिन. रिमेंबर, दिस इज सोमैटोट्रोफिन एंड दिस इज सोमैटोक्राइनिन. डायरेक्टली आपको लिखा हुआ नहीं मिलेगा इनहिबिटिंग रिलीजिंग, आपको अदर नेम्स में सोमैटोट्रोफिन और क्राइनिन मिलेगा. You may have understood much that one is releasing hormone and one is the inhibiting hormone. So inhibiting, and the second is melanocyte stimulating inhibiting hormone. Now this is produced by tubero. Important है. These are produced by tubero in fundibular neurons. और एक और important याद रखना है, these are produced by pars intermedia. Pars intermedia of pituitary gland. So these are produced by pars